so here's the mission at Strike, Julia. With Bitcoin, not only do we have the best monetary asset in human history, we have the best monetary network in human history. What do I mean by that, Julia? For the first time ever, we can escrow value. We can move money across borders, across space, across time, from a consumer to a merchant. We can move a bearer instrument from A to B at no cost and instantly.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Imagine every major institution in the world able to settle every major fiat asset with every other institution in a compatible jurisdiction in seconds for less than a penny. And I'll say that again in case you missed it. Imagine every major institution in the world able to settle every major fiat asset with every other institution in a compatible jurisdiction in seconds for less than a penny. That is a very, very big deal.
Hey everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. I don't understand something. I don't understand why nobody calls out the facts when they try to tell you that the Strike app is free to move Bitcoin. Julia, really, be more vigilant. Here I am on the Strike website, and you can see that there are on-chain fees and Lightning Network fees, and Strike passes the miner fee on to the user, and Strike passes the Lightning Network fees on to the user. How can that be free? And this best monetary network in history, well, can I use Strike in Tokyo? No, I cannot. As you see here, oops, Strike is not available or supported in your region. And according to their website, it is available in the United States, excluding Hawaii and New York, and it is in El Salvador. Okay, I'll give it to you. You're building out. Yep, that is very credible, but it makes it sound like it is everywhere. In fact, the government of El Salvador went with the Algorand payment rails for their state app. It's just unbelievable that people don't question his statements. You know, maybe I just have a little bit of emotion or a level of frustration is because I have watched Jay at Spend the Bits, who uses the XRP ledger to move Bitcoin, just not get the attention that he deserves. This app is rolling out globally, and I can assure you, there are no mining fees and there are no pre-funded channel operator fees. I'm going to bring you the big news first. Ripple is expanding in Europe, launching the first EU office in Dublin, Ireland. Yeah, this is going to drive strategic initiatives, and they will work with regulators. The country manager will report to the managing director in Europe, and the new team will complement that already strong team in the UK. How about that? This is Halsey Minor, the founder of the exchange Uphold, also responsible for Google Voice. He was the co-founder of Salesforce and CNET and a few other billion-dollar companies. He is very bullish on NFTs. Why? Well, let me count the ways. I was thrilled to have Halsey on the channel today. This is the second time I had him on the channel, and he has developed a way for a single NFT to be made of multimedia. I'm talking about an NFT that is a video, an audio file, a 3D object, a PDF, any digital file, and all into one NFT. And get ready for this, it's updatable. Here we are on their newly branded website, vividlabs.com. Yes, there is a token that fits into their ecosystem too. That is VID, V-I-D. And I want you to imagine the enterprise use cases, the ongoing updatable relationship that can occur between customers and the issuer of that NFT. But what I really want to do is share with you a brainstorming session I had with him just prior to hitting the record button. When I told him how I thought the NFT could be used, I think I shocked him. It is if I had read his playbook and he really wanted to tell me about a project that he was working on but couldn't. And so I will share with you the idea that I had, and we'll see eventually how close I am to the project that he has coming soon. So here was my idea. This little colt was born on the 19th, and he has a very famous mother who has also a very famous sister. In fact, so famous that that horse is a winner of over $6 million in grade 1 stakes races. That is Songbird. Now, that little guy being born has a lot of promise. And you could film his birth. And then when he got old enough to wear his first halter, you could film that and then update it into that NFT. And then as he got a little bit older and he had his first rider on his back, that could be added to the NFT. Maybe when he won his first stakes race, that could be updated. And then when he retires, that could be an update. The point is, the whole entire legacy of that horse and his career could be in an updatable NFT. How wonderful would it be for the not only the breeder, but also for the owner, and then maybe possibly even for the foals that are born under his sire. I mean, this is just incredible. And it doesn't have to be just only for horses. It can be for families too. So I can't wait to see this adoption. A little bit of a surprising story here coming from the Straits Times today in Singapore. Singapore has been really a leader in cryptocurrency and so progressive in many ways, but the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, has decided that they want to remove the Bitcoin machines from public places because they feel that the machines have this propensity to encourage or promote impulsive trading. So unfortunately, the Bitcoin machines were removed. It would just, I have to tell you, surprised me. And in the next video that's going to follow this, because I'm going to really focus heavily on SBI and some regulation news, the 12th largest bank in the world by assets, that would be the Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation, they are giving XRP away as a reward for the use of their bank-issued credit card. Yes, I can't wait to get in to tell you all those details. Please look for that video that will follow this one. And we have someone who is really well known in the XRP community here in Japan. This is Daikoku, and he made a sparkly sticker that has one of his illustrations of myself and Moonchaser. I love it. I told him, please, I want to get hooked up with a stack and I will pay you an XRP. Somebody was so shocked that I would pay an XRP because what happens if it goes to $10? Well, I would love to have a $10 sticker story to tell. Just like that gentleman who told the pizza story, I hope I have a sticker story. And then if I jump to the fluff, well, I'm really excited that McDonald's has decided to collaborate with Godiva for a mocha coffee. Wow, real chips of chocolate from Godiva from Belgium. I think this is fantastic. I can't wait. And it is not that highly priced. It is just about $3.50. I think that's pretty good. And I haven't brought you a Kit Kat story in a long time. There is a new limited edition Kit Kat that's coming out for Valentine's Day. It is these cute little bears. At the heart, it says, thanks, I love you, and for you. How fun is that? Yeah, Japan loves its chocolate. So I will say sayonara for now, and do take care, and finish this video off with a clip of David Schwartz speaking at the Bitcoin conference. Bye-bye for now.
The future of crypto will be a multi-chain world. but not without first achieving cross-chain interoperability. Federated sidechains and similar innovations are key to making this future a reality, and it starts with the XRP ledger.